In South Carolina, the defense has rested in the double murder trial of disgraced lawyer Alex Murdaugh. The final defense witness, Murdaugh's younger brother. Prosecutors expect to call a few more witnesses today. Nikki Battiste is at the courthouse in Walterboro, South Carolina. Nikki, good morning.
Good morning. John Marvin Murdaugh told the jury he found his brother destroyed and broken after the murders. But perhaps one of the more emotional parts of his testimony came when he described returning to the crime scene after it was released back to the family.
I saw blood, I saw brains, I saw pieces of skull. And when I say brains, it could just be tissue. I don't know what I was seeing. It was terrible.
Alex Murdaugh's younger brother broke down Monday as he described cleaning up the remains of his nephew Paul the day after he was murdered.
Felt like it was the right thing to do. I felt like I owed him, and I started cleaning. And I can promise you, no mother or father or aunt or uncle should ever have to see and do what I did that day.
Murdaugh has repeatedly denied murdering his 22-year-old son and wife Maggie, and in an attempt to prove his innocence, the defense called an expert witness who suggested two shooters killed Maggie and Paul Murdaugh.
Why would one shooter bring two long rifles, two long weapons to the event? You can't handle and shoot two of them.
But during cross-examination, the prosecution pointed out that he only visited the crime scene last Friday.
Do you know if you reviewed the entire case file?
No, I wouldn't know that.
You just reviewed materials that were provided to you.
Correct.
After listening to testimony for more than 5 weeks, the jury will soon get a chance to leave the courtroom. The judge granted a request by the defense to allow them to visit the sprawling Murdaugh hunting estate where the murders occurred.
The jury will visit that property after testimony from 4 or 5 rebuttal witnesses for the prosecution expected today. If things stay on schedule, closing arguments could be tomorrow. Tony?
All right, we'll keep following it, Nikki. Thank you very much. But